Hello guys, this is Asim and welcome to my channel, and in this video I am gonna explain how you can register or how you can form an LLC as a non-US resident. Like if you are not living in US and you are living in some another country and you want to register a business or you want to register a company in US, so still you can register, and I'm gonna explain all the possible options and the ways in this video. Basic two things which you need to register your company or your business in US. The first one is a physical address. In the previous video I already covered this physical address in detail. Like no matter if you are not living in US, you still need a physical address, where on the basis on that address what you can do is you can register your business. A lot of people are using their register agent address. So what they can do is, although you can register, but if you are gonna resell or if you are gonna do an e-commerce business on Amazon, so for the Amazon and some other platform, like they have some kind of requirement that your LLC or your business should have a unique address. So in that way it is not gonna work, because that register agent, that address is used by like hundreds or dozens of customers already. So that's why you need a unique address. So if you want to know what kind of options you have to having a unique address, you can watch my previous video. But in this video right now we already have a unique physical address which we already bought from anytimemailbox.com. So after having a physical address, what you need to do is you just need to find a registered agent. So you can Google and you can find some registered agent which are gonna charge you $35 to $50 per year, and then maybe they are gonna charge some service fee as well. And then what you can do is you can just get their services and they are gonna help you in farming of your own business. But there is another option, like into the formation. I would say like there are three options. The first one is you can hire a register agent, which cost a lot most of the time. Or the second option is what you can do is you can use a third party website services. So like I already wrote three names here. The first one is LegalZoom, and then Zen Business and Incfile. So as you can see, like these are the service provider which are going to help you to form an LLC. The first one is Incfile, LegalZoom, and then Zen Business. So I already provide the links in the description of this video, so you can go there and then you can compare whatever kind of services you need. So what they are gonna provide is like they are gonna provide their service in very cheap rate as compared to register agent. So in this video I am gonna go and I am gonna register my LLC by using Incfile, because Incfile have a great package which I'm gonna explain you in next couple of minutes. And maybe I can make a comparison video between these two or three service providers, so then I can explain why I choose Incfile. So whenever you are gonna go onto the Incfile, you would see such kind of user interface. I already provide this link into the description of video, so you can go there and then you can open this website. And then whenever you are here, so what you can do is you can just come here and start my business. Whenever you are gonna press, you can press start my business, and then they are gonna ask you like what kind of business you want to register. If you want to register S corporation, C corporation, non-profit, or an LLC. If you want to register LLC, you can select LLC, and after that you can select your state, whatever the state where you want to register your LLC. So right now I am gonna go for Texas, because like I don't know if you watch my previous videos or not. So there are two basic points which you need to consider if you are a non-US resident. So you just need to check like what is the income tax of the state and what is the sales tax of that state. So by considering these points, you can choose your state and then you can register your business in whatever the state you want. So after choosing the business type and your state, they are gonna bring you on these options. So the first one is silver option. So this is the option which I was telling you a couple of minutes ago. Like they have a package where they don't have any package fee. So this is only based on state fee. So no matter like what kind of state you want to choose, if you want to choose some another state, so there could be only the basic state fee, as a lot of states have like $20-$30 per year, but they have some renewal fee as well. But Texas does not have any renewal fee, so that's why I'm gonna choose this one. And then they don't have any package fee. So in other package, you can see this is the gold one, this is the platinum one. The best one I would say the gold one, because they are gonna provide you, this is a reasonable on the price as well, and they are gonna provide you EIN business tax number, which is gonna help you how to make a business bank account as well. And then they are gonna provide you IRS form, operating agreement, and everything like that. So if you don't have any information and if you don't have time, I would say you can choose this package. Or if you have a lot of information, you have a lot of time, so you can go with this package as well. Or if you know like how you can made all these documents, then you can go by this option. Or another than that, if you want to have like quick process and you have a lot of money, you don't have a lot of time, so maybe Platinum could be also a great option for you as well. So what you can do is like, no matter whatever the package you want to choose, so you can just select the gold package, platinum or silver package. So like suppose I want to go with the silver package or gold package, let's go with the gold package as well. So what you can see after that, they are gonna bring you onto the information form where you need to provide your information, your own mailing address. And then after that, what they are gonna ask you, like your business address, and then you need to provide your business phone number as well. So whenever they are going to ask you about personal information, you can provide your own personal information, your own personal address, your own personal phone number, no matter like wherever you are located. But whenever they are going to ask you about the business, so you should provide your own business address which you already bought in US, and you should provide your business phone number which is based on the US. There are a lot of application and website who are providing business phone numbers, no matter if you are living in US or not. And after that, like with this package, like there are no hidden charges. As you can see with the gold one, they are $4.99, and then you can attach your payment card and then you can pay. And then in this way, like they are gonna take some time, like sometimes it depends on state to state. Sometimes they are gonna take 2 to 3 days, or sometimes they are gonna take 2 to 3 weeks. And after that, they are gonna provide you all the details and all the agreement and company formation and everything. So this is the easiest way. Like I always prefer to have to use such kind of service as compared to registered agent, which costs you a lot. Or if you don't want to go such kind of service, then what you can do is there is another option, like you can do it everything by your own. If you have time, then you just need, sometimes maybe you did not have all the information, but still you can go, you can just research and you can find all the possible information. So this is the Texas state link, so where you can go and then you can download a form which is form 205. And then after that, like I'm just gonna go on this link, and then this is the state website. So what you can do is you can just go on that website, and then for the company registration you need to fill out the form which is form 205, and then you need to provide all the information. At the end of the day, what you need to do is, like, there are three options. The first option is you can send by mail this form, or the second option is you can fax them, or the third option is you can email them. Actually the process is really slow, so they have a lot of emails, so they are not gonna process it very quickly. So the first option is like providing these form by hand. This is the fastest one. Or the second option is you can just send your form by using a fax. So this is the option, like if you don't have enough money, or if you have a lot of time and you want to do it yourself. So this is the third option. The first one by using a registered agent, or the second one is you can use a third party website, or you can do it on your behalf, on your own self. So this was all about like how you can register your LLC in any state wherever you want to register. So I hope you would like my video, and if you like, you can like the video, and if you did not subscribe, you can subscribe the YouTube channel as well. So thank you for watching, and see you with the next video.